All right, good morning, students. Welcome to week 1, day 4. So if you opened up Blackboard and you saw your PDF document for today, you would see that number 1 says to watch this video. So there was a couple of things I want to make sure that we go over before you start your assignments today. The first thing is you are going to do your key terms. You're going to read chapter 3, and then you're going to outline per usual. Then I have an article here for you to read on emotional intelligence, and then I have a video right here for you to read. And then here I am having you do an emotional intelligence quiz. And so what you're going to do to show me that you completed the quiz is that you are going to submit a screenshot of your results. So I just want to show you what it's going to look like. So when you click on the link, it will bring you to this emotional intelligence quiz. So you are going to answer all of these questions, and when you are done, you're going to hit submit. Sometimes the button doesn't stick when you push it, so if you hit submit and it just stays right here, go back up here and look, because it's probably going to show you that you had an error. So go ahead and make sure that it really clicks whenever you are submitting your answer. So you'll answer all 25, and then you are going to click submit. When you click submit, it is going to give you your results. Now, when it first gives you your results, you may not be able to fit them all on the same screen, and you're going to need to give me a screenshot. So if you can't fit them all on the same screen, which earlier I could not because I had it at 100%, which most of yours probably defaults to 100%. So if you're at 100% and you can't get all of your scores on here, then click up at the top right hand corner, and where you see zoom, take it on down. This one I took to 75%, and then I could see everything. So here are your results. This is what you are going to submit to me. You have 2 ways in which you can do a screenshot. So if you have never used the snipping tool, I'm going to show that to you first. So at the bottom, if you hit your little windows, right here in search the web and Windows, just type in snipping tool, and it'll pop up right here. So you click on the snipping tool. You're going to say that you are going to do a new snip, and then you see it now turns your cursor into this little cross, and you simply put in the box what you want to take a screenshot of. So that's what I want a screenshot of. You can either save it or you can copy it. In this case, I'm just going to copy it, and you simply paste it onto a Word document. Okay, and then you'll save that file and you'll turn that into me. The second way in which you can do it is you can just do print screen. Print screen, however, will take the whole screenshot. So if at all possible, anytime you need to take a screenshot, use the snipping tool that's available to you. But if not, for some reason, if you can't access it, then all you have to do is center what you want to go ahead and do a screenshot of, and you are going to hit Control, and at the top of a desktop keyboard, right before insert, it'll say print screen. So you'll say Control Print Screen. Once you have that done, you'll just open up that Word document again and paste it in there. Okay. However, that didn't paste the whole print screen. It gave me my old one. So let me go back and do that so I can show you exactly what it will look like if you're going to do print screen. So I'm just going to press print screen, and then I'm going to paste. Okay, so that's what it would look like if you do print screen. So, sorry, on my desktop, all you have to do is press print screen. If you're on a laptop, and then you're going to press Control Print Screen, which is after usually F12 at the very top of your screen. So again, you will just save your results to me, and then you are going to submit them to me on Blackboard. There is a link under weekly assignments for you to submit it. Okay. Alright, so now that I've showed you how to do that, I want to make sure that you are aware that your exam is due So I'm going to go ahead and add that on there. Complete and submit exam 1. Okay. So exam 1 opens tomorrow, which is Friday, and will be due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Also, all of the weekly assignments, the things that are starred, are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Please take note here that you are not to email me your assignments. There is a link for all submissions on Blackboard in the assignments folder. So you simply click on the link and you upload your file, which I showed you how to do in yesterday's video. One last thing that I want to show you. This is not your class, so I'm just going to show you a quick example here. Let's see where I pulled it up. This is one of my previous classes that I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you will be doing whenever you are taking your test. Okay, so you are going to see a link on Blackboard that's going to say exam 1. It's going to say chapters 1 through 3 right here. So you don't want to click on this until you are ready to take the exam. As in your syllabus, and I went over in the first video, it is not a timed exam. However, you only have one sitting to take it, meaning when you open it, you have to complete your exam in that one sitting. You cannot close it and come back to it. So please be aware of that. So once you are ready to take it, you are simply going to click on it. It will tell you that yours is not going to be timed. It's going to tell you that it will close at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So don't open the test at Sunday at 11:45 p.m. because at 11:59 p.m. it will close the test and it will submit exactly what you have. So once you are ready, you are simply going to click begin. Now, one thing that I always want to make sure that I stop and tell students, all of my online students especially, whenever you take an online test, you need to be using a Ethernet cord connected directly from your laptop to your modem or directly from your desktop to your modem. You do not want to take the chance of Wi-Fi cutting you off in the middle of your exam, because if that happens, it's going to submit what you have. And since you have already opened the exam and could potentially have seen all the questions, I will not reopen it for you. So if at all possible, connect an Ethernet cord directly from your laptop to your modem or directly from your desktop to your modem. If you don't have that capability, go to the campus. The campus is open on Saturdays as well until noon. So make sure that you are utilizing, or you can go tomorrow on Friday. That's why I also open it up on Fridays. So make sure that you use one of the labs. Make sure you use the library if you need to do an Ethernet cord, because those are directly connected. However, I highly caution you, do not take it on a mobile device. Although I know you have the ability to, please don't. More students drop taking it on a portable device such as a cell phone than any other method of doing it. So please ensure that you are set and ready. If you have to do it on Wi-Fi, then you need to walk around to every person that is in your vicinity and turn off their Wi-Fi. So go to your mom's, dad's, brothers, sisters, husbands, wives, whoever is in your home or wherever you are taking it, take their cell phones and physically turn off the Wi-Fi. Take the tablets, turn off the Wi-Fi. Anything that's running on Wi-Fi in the household, so you have the dedicated bandwidth while you complete your exam. If you get to exam 3 and there is some technical issue, do not email me. Call Blackboard immediately or email Blackboard. When you go to log in on the Blackboard site, it gives you the phone number, their hours of operation, and it also gives you their email address. Screenshot whatever you see on your screen. So if you're going to tell me that your computer dropped or something happened, you need to take a screenshot. If you're going to tell me that the whole screen went crazy, then pick up your cell phone and take a screenshot. Okay? Because if you have seen the test, you would have an unfair advantage. So I have to know for sure, in order to be consistent with the entire class, that something actually did happen. So if you don't call Blackboard and you don't send me a screenshot, then I will not be able to help you in trying to figure out another way to complete your exam. So please make sure that before you take your first exam that you are going to be ready to go. Okay, I hope you have a very nice weekend. So this will be the last posting for the week. Your exam will open tomorrow through Sunday, and then Monday we will begin week 2.